Hey guys, my Vulture here with another awesome YouTube video, and today I am doing a update video of a previous video of my Pokemon Go video, which was 7 months ago that I released, and now I'm going to show you how to basically uh, walk around and go anywhere you want in Pokemon Go, and show you some of my Pokemon I have caught using that certain app and how I did that procedure, and pretty much. And you probably recognize it from this video up here, from 7 months ago. And hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's get on with it. Okay, guys. Before downloading an app, you want to go on settings, and you want to go to if you don't have it unlocked, or basically unlocked, you want to tap on about device several times, and then you'll get probably the lollipop logo. You want to keep on pressing that, and then it'll open up your developer options. You want to go to developer options, and then you want to go to my location and change it to the Fly GPS app after you're done downloading the app. So I want you to go on to the Play Store, type in Fly GPS. Okay? And then you want to go to, where is that? Hopefully I didn't take it off here. Fly GPS. If not, go online and download the APK. Once you get that downloaded, this is for Android too, and iPhone, I believe. And you want to go to that and basically just tap here, tap to the Fly GPS, and then you want to go. You could really spawn anywhere, but you'd rather spawn where you're at right now, so they don't ban you or nothing. And so, basically, I'm gonna spawn myself in Baltimore Harbor. Okay, so you click here, and then you want to say GPS service run, and then joystick location mode for Pokemon Go. I'm going to click on that, and then go to Pokemon Go. Alright, now since you just did that, now we are in the game, and the joystick's right here to your left. I'll put an arrow at it. And basically you want to line it up on where you had it on the app on GPS Fly. And yes, my battery's on, but it's good. Basically, that's how you're going to control it. You can't really move around, like you can't turn your heads like this. You actually have to line it up, sadly to say. Most time, you're always chasing after which way it is anyway, so. You can also do this and get go to Pokestops and get them. I just actually caught a Onyx, accidentally actually, because of the fact that well, I didn't have it on film, so that sucks that I didn't have it, but I'll show you my Pokemon. I also got a Gyarados from going around and getting all the Magikarps with just being in my house, basically. And also, I caught most of these, just by doing that, staying in my house. But I just caught this Onyx, which is fucking awesome. So, I think it's a good day, just, getting on and doing that. Yeah, you can basically walk around and do whatever you want. You can spawn anywhere you want to, so that's a cool thing too. And hopefully this is useful to you guys, and you guys like it. You can catch Pokemon and from different areas that you really can't go, especially for like kids that can't really go out of their yards. It's good for them too. And let me see if I can catch a Pokemon. If I can find one. It should be one. Okay, let me catch this Pokemon just to show you that they are catchable. Come on, shut up. Stop. Alright. Alright, come on. See, that proves the point that you can catch Pokemon while doing this too. And hopefully you guys like this video, and it's useful for you guys to do. And I will see you guys in the next YouTube video I upload, okay? You guys, and for hunting Pokemon, and hopefully you guys can see this video up here. I also want to say please subscribe and hit that like button down below for more awesome YouTube videos and other certain kind of videos that I also do. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys in the next video.